Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new wig unboxing. It's been a minute, you guys, but we're going to talk about all of that. Also, you guys, I almost forgot, this video is not sponsored. I bought this wig 100% myself with my own money. Gotta say that, gotta say that part. But before we get into this video, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Guys, imagine you order a wig, and this is what comes in the mail. This, I'm gonna cover my address. This is what comes in the mail. So I got a notification from my apartment that, oh, you got a new package. I go there, this is the package I got. This thin. I'm like, I know it's not a wig in here. I know a wig is not in here. I open it, this is all I got in here. This is what I got. So I was furious. I was so scared. I got on that app ready to curse out these vendors. Like, I was furious, but I messaged them and that wasn't even the right package. Here it is, you guys. I don't know what that thing was, but I was about to cry. I was gonna cry. So I know I told you guys I was gonna order a closure wig, but I got a frontal. This is a 13x6, 180% density. I forgot what inch I got. From Bling Hair. So Bling Hair is a shop on TikTok and Aliexpress. So TikTok shop is only available in the US, but they also have that Aliexpress store. So I'm going to make sure to link their Aliexpress store too, so everybody everywhere can get this wig if it's good. I feel like lately I've been trying so many wigs and they have not been good. I've ordered the last three TikTok shop wigs I ordered, I've gotten scammed from. Like, that's why it's been so hard to find a wig. I've ordered some closure wigs and they scammed me. They honestly scammed me to the point, like, I did one video on one bad wig. The other one, TikTok shop canceled it because they said it looked suspicious on the seller's end. And then the third one, they never shipped it. So I guess it wasn't really a scam. It was just like, it's been difficult, like unnecessarily difficult to order a wig. But okay, I've been seeing this wig a lot. I'm talking really fast and I'm talking a lot. But I've been seeing this wig on TikTok shop a lot. So I did buy this wig. I bought this wig 100% myself with my own money. This video is not sponsored, you guys. I bought this wig myself. So yeah, this is my money. So that's why I was so furious when I got this freaking plastic bag here. Let's go ahead and see what we have here. It's been a minute since I did an unsponsored wig review. I missed it. It's just so hard to find a wig. Okay, I'm being extra, but here's the little boxy box. Let's see what we have in here. Let's see what she's giving. Because the girlies on TikTok got this wig looking so cute. We're gonna see what she is. Okay, so they don't give you any bells and whistles. You just get the wig, but honestly, I don't need anything extra. Oh, okay, wait. You get a wig cap, edge brush, beauty blender. Okay, this wig got a little weight to it. That's a plus. It got some weight to it. Let me get my phone so I can tell you all exactly what I ordered, how much it costs, and the length, because I forgot. But I definitely got their longest length. Oh, okay. I didn't know they had a wig this long. So this is their 13x6 body wave 36-inch wig. 36 inches. So we'll see if it's giving 36 inches. Like, this is what it's looking like in the bag. We'll see how they measured it. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see what she's giving. Super excited. It's been so hard to find a wig these days. It really is. Okay. Let's take this off. The lace is thin. It's not HD, it's transparent, but it's pretty thin. So here is the wig. Let me stand up. So I'm 5'7". This is how it's looking right now in front of me. Is this giving 36 inches? It's long. It's definitely long. It's pretty full. This is just 180% density, so it's not 250, but this is still like a nice fullness to me. Like, that's a really nice fullness. I have my measuring tape over here. Let's see what it's giving the brows. I like the hairline. It's not too thick. Like, the knots are super duper small. Let me show you all this up close. Let me show you all this. The knots are pretty small. Like, you see those knots? They're pretty small. Let me show you. So also, you guys, let me explain this. 180% density. The density is the thickness of the wig. So if you are new to wigs, that is how thick your wig is. The 180% density is like right in the middle. Is perfect for a lot of people. A lot of people is perfect. If you want something like big, Diana Ross, Dolly Parton, then you probably want 250% density. Like if you want to like bow, that's Dolly Parton. I'm gonna link this wig I have on right now. This is from TikTok Shop. This is actually like a 250% density wig. So if you're looking at the thickness of this wig and like, whoa, that's how thick I want my hair. This is 250% density, and this is 180%. But like, this is thick. This is pretty thick, especially for 180% density. It smells good too. This says like aromatherapy tablets. I've never seen nothing like that. That's interesting, but yeah, if you want to see, so of course it is curlier, so it's always going to look bigger, but that's the difference between these two thicknesses. But this looks long. I like it. Let's get to the measuring. Let's get to the measuring. Like the girls want. Oh, this hair is so pretty. I'm not gonna lie, this hair is really pretty. I'm excited. Okay, it looks pretty. No like little short hairs. Like it's falling like real hair. I like that. Let me try to. I'm gonna hold it right here and see. Unstretched. We're already at like 30 inches holding it up here. I know that's not fair. We should not be holding the measuring tape up here, but that's how a lot of vendors like to measure their wigs. So let's see. If I stretch this, holding it up here, I'm right at 36 inches. I'm right at like 36 inches right there. Holding it up there. So, yes, we have a true to length wig. Oh my, guys, it's been so long since I had like a decent wig that I even liked that wasn't sent to me. This wig was sent to me, but it's been hard to find your own wig. And I know I told the girls I want a closure wig, closure, but the closure wigs were doing me wrong every time I tried to order. I also tried to order from Aliexpress a few times. I don't know. The closure wigs were just doing me wrong, like every time I tried to order. But let's also look at this wig. Like I love the way this hair is falling. Like it looks pretty. Like the hair quality itself is really, really pretty. Like look at that. I'm super excited to install this. It's been so long. It feels like I haven't, it might have been like 6 months at this point since I ordered a wig. It honestly might be like 6 months. Well, okay, I ordered a 50-inch wig, if you all remember that video, and that wig was terrible. Frontal real, the back completely synthetic. So it's been a minute. Oh, goodness, guys. But I'm going to link the AliExpress store. So if you are like someone who trusts AliExpress to a T, like, hey, I'm just going to AliExpress. I'm going to link that one. And then I'm going to link the exact TikTok shop link I use to get this wig. So we'll see. I'll pray that this wig is fantastic. Of course, I'm going to come back. The hair quality is given right now. I can look at it. I've seen enough wigs. The frontal color matches the real hair color down here, like the hair color. It looks good. This wig is full. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to have a bust down. Like, look at that. Bam. I cannot wait. It's been way too long at this point. Like, I just feel immense relief at this point. Immense relief because it's been a long time. I'm so excited to have a wig I like. Oh, wait, we didn't even look at the inside of this wig. Let's look at the inside of this wig. So this is 13 by 6. It does have like more of that U shape of the 13 by 6, but if the wig does have a U shape, if it's a 13 by 6, it'll be okay. So, but if it's a 13 by 4, that might be like, that's not enough parting space. And also, you guys, if you are new to wigs, because I forget like sometimes, guys, so the 13 is the measurement from here to here. So like the length of your head, the width. Yeah, the width of your head, and then the 4 or 6 is like going backwards. So like this long part, you wouldn't be able to have a part this long if it was a 13 by 4. If you like a nice long part, or like you really want to be able to do a side part, 13 by 6 is your safest go-to. But I am happy with this wig. Okay, Bling Hair did not do me dirty. It's been hard. It's so hard to find a wig now. It really is. So I'm relieved. I'm happy. Of course, we're going to play with this wig. I cannot wait to put it on for you guys. I am back. I feel like a piece of my heart has been gone. Like, I'm back. I'm so back, you guys. But yes, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching this video. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.